In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a reveal on scroll animation on Webflow. This effect is a great way to add a touch of interactivity and professionalism to your website, capturing the viewer's attention by revealing elements as they scroll down the page. Let's dive right in and see how you can achieve this in just a few steps. To begin with, let's talk about applying the trigger for this animation. First, you'll want to choose the specific element you wish to animate. This can be any element on your web page, perhaps a text block or an image that you want to come into view as the user scrolls. Once you've selected your element, you'll need to navigate over to the Interactions tab within Webflow. This tab is the powerhouse for creating dynamic content, and it's where we'll set everything up. Here, you'll want to add an element trigger. Look for the option labeled Scroll into View. This trigger tells your selected element to begin its animation sequence when it enters the viewport of the web browser. Now that you've set up the prerequisite trigger, it's time to add some action to the When Scrolled into View event. In the drop-down menu, you'll notice several animation options, but for this tutorial, we're going to focus on the Fade option. Specifically, choose Fade In. This will create a smooth, visually appealing transition that gently introduces the element to the viewer. As you select Fade In, keep an eye on your preview mode. You'll be able to see the animation effect almost instantly. It's a satisfying moment when your element fades in for the first time, coming to life with the simple scroll of a user. Once you're satisfied with your animation and have previewed it to ensure everything is functioning as expected, the final step is to publish your changes. Click on the Publish button and note how your new animation feature is now an interactive element of your live website. Testing is crucial, so don't skip it. It's important to experience your site as a user would. Scroll through your page to verify that the animation not only works as intended, but also enhances the overall user experience. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully implemented a reveal on scroll animation using Webflow. This subtle touch can make a significant difference, creating a more engaging and aesthetically pleasing website. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're ready to bring your web designs to the next level. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy designing.